Herbert Peabody and the DIY Spring Flower Bunch. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. We're in Nanna and Grandpa's garden today. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's see who helps make them this way. Hello, bee. You're busy pollinating. You have so many flowers to see. Herbie and Nanna have an idea. Let's pick flowers for you and me. We start with daisies and hellebores. Nanna cuts the bluebell stems carefully. Now some pink azaleas. And there are primulas here we see. Let's add green maidenhair fern. And pink and purple fuchsia too. Flower bunch is ready to put together. We have supplies for all we need to do. We start by trimming the stems, then choose flowers one by one. All the colours combine together. Making a flower bunch is so much fun. Now we take our string and carefully cut off a length. We wind the string around the stems to give the flower bunch extra strength. Hair fern adds greenery. We're almost finished. We can't wait. We wind the string around again. Our bunch is looking great. What fun to explore the garden with Nanna here today. And we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.